Your Timex Weekender come with a single pass NATO strap, and the way to wear it is that you put the watch on your wrist and then hold it against you so you can pass the band inside that part over here, and then you can put that pin into a hole, and then you pass this strap under those things, and then you can, it's the official way, or the one that most people use, so that you can ply it so it can pass under, but I don't really like that way. So see, most people use it that way. What I like to do is to pass it over again, just like that, and shut it, well, like that. So this is how you can wear the NATO strap.